I'm from St. Albans, Vermont. It's this little redneck town, like on the outskirts of Vermont, but half an hour away from the main city, which is Burlington, and that's pretty much where I grew up skating. I like living in SF because the hills. Also, I got a good crew of friends here. It's just fun to live here. There's a bunch of shit to do all the time. And yeah, skateboarding, it's really fun here.
Crawling through the forest, an ambush, an attack. The guardian rests his eyes. It's time to strike. One by one, the many more to kill, slay. Back to the forest till the time is right.
I don't have a day job, I have a night job. I'm a night shift doggy daycare dude at the SF Hound Lounge. So I babysit him overnight, and yeah, it's actually a really fun job, and everyone there is rad. For one, they're the best. My homie Josh, who introduced me to skateboarding when I was growing up, was always riding them. They turn really well. You don't need to put in some bullshit bushings in them, like right when you set them up. They're just good to go. Yeah, I just love riding them, and especially down the hills in SF, they work great. So yeah.
Raise your sword of ice, swing your battle cry. Magic spells and broke in I'm ordered to the field. Slay the king before you, the crown is mine. Lord Zekion, going to the woods. Your spells are evil, but your magic doesn't work. Lord Zekion, going to the woods.
Delirium, baby. 16th emission. Yeah.